Violet Evergarden is licensed and produced by Atlantis and Netflix Studios, Kyoto Animation Networks, Tokyo MX, TVA, ABC, BS11 and HTB, based on the works by Kana Akatsuki. Please support the official release. Hello there YouTube, Jack here with more Violet Evergarden, episode 2. Last time was freaking beautiful, emotional, setting up, everything, I don't know. With Violet working as a, what even was the exact word? Not a writer, was it? Like, anyway, she's like typing out the letters, I guess. With her mechanical arms that we're just gonna gloss over, that are a thing in this world. Yeah, I'm still mighty confused about her in general, like what the hell is even going on with her, why is she like this, so on and so forth, but I guess we might just learn in due time. For now, I guess we can just continue this amazing story. In 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, Netflix. Which is unfortunately not available for me on Netflix yet. Otherwise I would be watching it on Netflix. Well, here might be the backstory that I was hoping for. I don't think I'm able to pronounce that name, but... yeah, that's major, right? What? Some lingering resentment in the family, perhaps? Well, he brought you a person, apparently. No, sorry, a weapon. Which at least explains why she thinks like that. Beyond the major and like literally everyone always being nice to her. If she perhaps was already conditioned like this. As mentioned before, these are some fancy outfits. They were named after... wasn't it the other way around? Oh, wait, okay, so that way around. She has such a cheer in her voice. Meow, meow, meow. She's keeping the cheer. The senpai, so to speak, huh? Well, I don't know. She gets pretty dedicated when she puts her mind to something. Still saluting. Okay, so we are not gonna fully gloss over them. Oh yeah, I guess gotta learn how to write fast. Well, unless we gotta see a bit more. Wait, what? Okay, that's interesting. I just kind of want to see her like immediately going down on it. Pretty much, thank you, yeah. It's a typewriter. How do you type quietly on them? Yeah, no, it's just freaking stuck again. Okay, I gotta deal with this. So, gonna try this again, and since this was epic, I'm gonna watch it again. Just because. And 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, I guess it's frustrating for the others who probably took a lot longer to learn this. Please don't make me actually remember all the names. Ooh, shut down. So I guess your work isn't appreciated, or maybe it's just you. Just after like literally you said that. Really? Was that your dream job? Curious. Well, you can kind of tell by the fact that she's like saluting all the time. Maybe she's just more approachable with that cleavage of hers. Sounds like her, yeah. So, you seem to be kinda upset, though not yet sure why. She has improved. Is she more quiet now? This way. Yep, I guess. Well, they don't really get that well along with her, though, for training. And for what? Yeah, I was kind of figuring that since she was trying to write him a letter. Okay, I'm gonna stop here again real quick trying to deal with lag. So let's try here again in 3, 2, 1. So again, he's dead, right? And I guess since she has more or less built her entire world around him, better not tell her yet. Why did you have to put the two of them together? God, you're cruel. How did she arrange it? Yeah, don't ask for emotional comfort. So, you can't write, but you can read? And provide premium. Like, was there a problem? To learn emotions? That is a legitimate question. Well, yeah, these things called cars might just take over the world. Yep, there's that word again. Really? Feeling down because one customer yelled at you? Honestly, if you're working with customers, yes, ma'am. You kind of gotta deal with people yelling at you eventually, sometime. That's a beautiful transition shot. Right, you had. Oh, she just wrote literally what she said. Oh my god, no. No. Oh no. Everything? So you were serious about him, huh? Hmm. Hot water? Why would you want hot water? Yeah, damage control in a sense, huh? Not your major, no. Or at least very, very unlikely that he's just walking around here. Or is he? Nah. Back down to reality, huh? I don't know if she's even sleeping, like, at all. But then again, she probably is, as to not impair her work or duties. Might be. Though I'm not really sure what he meant with he said, like, okay, what episode 1 did have him, like, visiting banks and trying to get a loan or something. I don't know what exactly. Well, nice transitioning in the arms. Just while undercutting her like this. That's all. Quite literally cast her in a new light, huh? Well, you just had to overhear something like this, huh? Oh, things about to take off. Huh? Hmm. That's interesting. Sticking your neck out for her. I guess it is, huh? Suddenly beautiful music. Okay. This is like not the end though yet, right? Hmm. Is this the actual story of the typewriter? I wonder. I mean, I guess maybe not, or it is. I mean, I've never heard of an auto memory doll before, so though I guess it still takes some effort to learn how to type blind. I suppose if like the letters are indented, you can feel them, but still actually properly writing. But then again, I guess even if it's not that beautifully formatted, someone could just retype it. Oh, I didn't even notice that she had completely different hair from the poster. I mean, the clothes, yes, but the hair I didn't notice. Yep, you do look quite amazing. Oh, is it actually the same, or did you buy a new one? I don't, wow. That's amazing. there, there is such a thing? Oh. Oh. You're too likable a guy. Well, you do use present tense. Or not. Oh, now you're going for past tense. You know, as much as we may suspect it still hurts to actually have it told. Not coming back. More Netflix. Ah, that was amazing. Not quite as much as the first episode, plus the first one did feel a bit longer. It probably wasn't, but it felt somehow much longer. So I just kind of want to look up that was 25 minutes. And first one is, no, pretty much the same actually. Still though, I'm gonna say not as much a tearjerker as the previous one, which is understandable, you know. Your first episode kind of needs to draw in the audience, and then you can take your time telling a story. But all in all, it was a freaking beautiful music, both visually and the acoustic. No surprise there, again. I probably don't need to retell this every episode. I don't have much to say about this one. Like, the one thing this lady that came in that Violet wrote the letter for, I kind of feel bad that I didn't feel bad for her at first. Like, she just came in and like talked like this, and then Violet wrote the letter, and then she read it, and she thought, "Oh hey, you got your comeuppance," and then she just breaks down in tears, and I feel like a dick. Yeah, so little side trip there. That's interesting. Violet, I mean, isn't what she's feeling for the major pretty much love at this point? Or is she just not connecting the dots that this feeling is love? Maybe. Like, if she's actually, you know, looking for the meaning, so to say. Yeah, sorry, other than that, I don't know much else to say about this episode in particular. So, gonna cut it here, and until next time, see you then. Bye.